Elsa's patient zero and we're all gonna die.
How do you feel?
Alive.
Kiki is sick as a dick.
I don't have whooping cough, so that's just great.
This documentary is going to be the most iconic thing in 2019.
This is gonna be the most iconic meme of the century.
This is going on the vlog. That's right, folks. The vlog. This is going on the vlog.
So, if you had to hook up with anyone on the speech and beach,
There's so much hatred.
No, there is.
How is there? How is there hatred?
There's conflict.
What? That looks like a pregnancy test.
So that we can discuss about this case before taking any legal action against you.
I've been crying for the past like 48 hours.
I just want to go to sleep. Well, we do know what's happening. People are being infected with whooping cough.
Did you know cough droplets can stay suspended in the air for up to 10 minutes and they can travel in a radius of about 6 meters?
That's just everything. Everyone's gonna die.
People are dropping like flies.
Just saying that, you know, a certain county up north had whooping cough last month.
I think that the other teams are using chemical warfare against us.
It wouldn't surprise me. They could have put it in the vents of the hotel or the bus. And that explains why they're so certain that we're not a contender for state.
that is definitely chemical warfare right there.
Couldn't come at a worse time, Nina.
Well, it's kind of screwing me over for our duo, so not great. No, I feel great. I'm feeling crap.
I really don't want to do my oratory. I really don't want to have to do that.
Do you think you have it? And I think it's a big public health concern that we're all traveling this weekend.
Also, that is what happens when you're too cozy with the other teams, is that you're susceptible to biowarfare.
I hope I don't get it. But like, whatever, I don't really care.
I think it is a tragedy. And I want to pray.
I have hopes high.
Yeah, you better.
But expectations low.
We're definitely gonna win.
Percentage chance.
110.
2,769.7.
Percent
No.
out of 6.
Yes. 2.
Currently, I'm sprinting down Main Street, trying to get back to the hotel. Time for the meet, and the meeting in Thane's room. Just picked up antibiotics.
So I just debated an infant.
I can't breathe. When they say they can't give you evidence because of technical difficulties, and then they magically find the evidence, and the evidence supports you, not them, and then they try to claim they're not citing that sentence of the evidence, they're citing the part below it.
Yeah, it broke. I didn't even think I was gonna break sense, and then made it in the top 8. So that was pretty litty in my city.
Criterion of not giving military aid to authoritarian regimes, and never stated that that was his criterion until I asked him.
I'm sad that this is what LD has come to.
Speech literally got like 11 points.
Congratulations on Glacier for them having their novice win the tournament for them.
I had some thoughts.
I'll interpret. Katie's losing it. She loves all of us very much. Especially me, I'm her favorite.
Glacier wins by cheating.
Honestly, like, underhanded stuff makes me mad, and there was a lot of that.
I'm furious. I'm going to sue someone.
To reap the corn, be where I was born. Shout a scout like Thorn to banish ghosts and goblins, a brand new pair of roads. Rattling over the log.